I come from the airline industry. I've spent 4 years of my career, both in marketing and also in sales. One of my favorite stories happened in 1993. One of the cabin crew members of Delta Airlines suggested to management, "Boss, wala pong kumakain ng ating lettuce sa mga business class entrees. May I suggest to please take it out because it's just a waste of money and waste of time." But the management initially was hesitant and said, "If it's not broken, we don't need to fix anything. Just keep the lettuce. It's expected anyway by people." But they were also open-minded and they said, "O sige na nga, let's try to consider your proposal on the condition that we're gonna ask after 3 months a survey if the passengers are okay with it. If anyone complains, we'll bring the lettuce back." To their surprise, when they took out the lettuce after 3 months, the survey results show, letter A, that the customers did not notice that the lettuce was gone. And number two, a lot of the passengers even said, if the lettuce is not there anymore, it makes the plate look cleaner and more organized. So management said, wow, this is working. We thought that the lettuce needs to be there, but apparently in the grander scheme of things, it doesn't have to be. So let's continue taking out the lettuce. And from 3 months, they extended that to 1 year. In 1 year, just by taking out a small vegetable, Delta Airlines saved $1.4 million. Imagine the savings the company got because they thought that something was so important, but if they finally let it go, it makes them more productive, it makes them more profitable. I want to invite all the leaders in the room. Tonight, before you sleep, identify what you think is that lettuce in your teams, in your processes, in your organizations, or even in your personal lives that you think is the lettuce that you have been doing for the longest time, but when you finally take it out, it makes your teams more productive.